The bolt torque calculator for preload and clamp force helps you determine the exact torque needed to achieve your desired bolt preload. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your bolt grade from the drop-down menu. You can choose from 8.8 at 640 MPa, 10.9 at 900 MPa, 12.9 at 1080 MPa, A325 at 725 MPa, or A490 at 895 MPa. For this example, I'm using grade 8.8. Next, enter your bolt diameter in millimeters. Then input your friction coefficient K factor. Finally, enter your desired preload in newtons. Here's a worked example. I'll input a bolt diameter of 12 millimeters, a friction coefficient of 0.2, and a desired preload of 5,000 newtons. After clicking Calculate Bolt Torque, we get three critical results. The required torque is 120.0 Newton meters. This is the exact torque you'll apply to your wrench. The clamp force confirms 50,000 newtons, matching our desired preload. The percentage of yield strength shows 107.9%, which importantly tells us this bolt configuration exceeds the yield strength and would permanently deform. This calculator ensures accurate bolt tensioning for critical assemblies. Find the link in the description below.